In high-risk kitchens and industrial zones, safety isn't optional, it's engineered. Today, we decode the Ansul fire suppression system and how it protects your facility from catastrophic fire events. Working principle: step by step, keycap 1 fire starts in the protected area. Heat rises rapidly from the cooking equipment, fryer, grill, range. Fusible links or pneumatic tubes sense high temperature. Keycap 2 detection and activation. 2 activation methods: automatic activation. Fusible link melts at its rated temperature, e.g., 165 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Cable system releases tension. Right pointing arrow triggers the system. Manual activation. Pulling the manual pull station activates the system. Keycap 3 control panel, release mechanism activates. The system triggers the mechanical release module. Gas cartridge or pressurized cylinder opens the chemical storage tank. Keycap 4 fire suppression agent discharges. Depending on system type. Wet chemical, R102, for kitchens. The chemical reacts with hot oil and forms soapy foam, saponification, that cools and seals the surface. Dry chemical, Ansul powder systems, for industrial areas. The powder interrupts the chemical chain reaction of the fire. Keycap 5 fuel supply shutoff. Ansul systems automatically shut off gas supply, electric power to the cooking equipment to prevent reignition. Keycap 6 post-discharge cooling and prevention of reflash. Foam blanket remains on hot surfaces. Right pointing arrow prevents oxygen from reaching fuel. Fire is completely extinguished. Major components of Ansul system. Keycap 1 wet chemical agent cylinder. Stainless steel tank containing Ansul X agent. Pressurized by carbon dioxide or nitrogen. Releases wet chemical upon activation. Keycap 2 mechanical release module, control head, heart of the system. Receives signal from fusible link or manual pull. Opens cylinder valve to discharge agent. Keycap 3 detection line with fusible links. Stainless steel cable routed above cooking equipment. Fusible links melt at rated temperature. Mechanical pull activates the system. Keycap 4 manual pull station. Located near kitchen exit. Operators can manually activate system in emergency. Keycap 5 nozzles and piping network. Different nozzle types. Fryer nozzle. Grill nozzle. Plenum, duct nozzle. Appliance nozzle. Delivers agent directly to hood. Duct. Plenum. Cooking appliances. Keycap 6 gas, electric shutoff devices. Gas valve actuator. Electrical contactor. These automatically cut power, gas supply. Keycap 7 carbon dioxide, nitrogen cartridge. Pressurizes the agent cylinder. Ensures proper discharge of chemicals. Keycap 8 alarm and interlock system. Can be connected to fire alarm panel. Audio-visual alarms. Notifies occupants and security team. Gear types of Ansul fire suppression systems. 1. R102 wet chemical system, most common in kitchens, uses liquid Ansul X. 2. Ansul dry chemical system, used for industrial hazards like paint booths, flammable storage rooms, processing machinery. 3. Ansul foam systems, used for fuel storage, hangars, chemical plants. Pushpin advantages of Ansul system. Fast fire detection and suppression. Automatic and manual activation. Specialized for grease, oil fire. Prevents reignition with foam blanket. Widely accepted and approved by NFPA. Thanks for watching. For more videos on fire safety, facility management, and engineering systems, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.